The first ever Footwork Friday. We're gonna make up some footwork in the
Cha-cha.
Cha-cha's a lucky dance of the day. Ding, 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 ding. Friday. Let's make up some cha-cha.
Yes. Okay, I think we should start real simple. So we should just go like close, close.
Close.
Side, side, side.
Cha, cha, cha. Close, close.
Yeah, close, close.
Cha,
Side,
cha,
side,
cha.
side. Ooh.
Cuban breaks.
Cuban breaks.
2 and 3 and
Let's go back.
4 and 1.
Repeat on this side.
Okay.
And
2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I'm thinking back basic.
I like
2,
that.
3, 4 and 1. Yeah?
I say we spice it up. So we
What
go
is it?
2, 4, 3, and 4 and 1.
Money! I like it. Okay, so it's gonna go 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Oh!
Because it's Footwork Friday.
It's Footwork Friday and new stuff is happening.
Right.
Is that
I think
enough?
we should go from the beginning because I
Oh,
forgot.
I forgot. Okay, yeah. So 4 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, Cuban break. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and then twerk it out. Breaking the
That's
rules.
Twerking Tuesday.
Twerking Tuesday. Hey. Shh. Okay, what's next?
2, 3, and 4 and 1.
Okay.
2 and 3,
Ooh.
4
And
1.
1. Yeah.
Oh,
2 and 3, 4 and 1. Bam!
Bam!
Okay, let's review because I don't know what it is. Hold on, here we go. Okay. 4 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Friday!
Woo! Don't worry too much about technique stuff and me straightening.
Turn those feet in, lift those shoulders, but just have fun.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Hey, that was Footwork Friday. TGIF. Have a drink, relax, do some footwork, get some cardio.
And remember that if you want to get more creative, fun dance stuff, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you get it right away. Click the little bell. Make sure that your subscribe is not red, but it is actually white with gray letters. Then you know you are subscribed and therefore will be happy for the rest of your life.
Signing off, LiWen,
Tytus,
Dance Insanity.
see you next time.